The heavy duty hand tool comes in two parts, a main body assembly and interchangeable mandrels dependent on the thread size that you're using. The most important thing is that the handle is installed first, as this keeps the sleeve and the thrust bearings in position. The interchangeable mandrel is then dropped into place and the main drive unit is installed. This is a hardened steel cap, and the blind rivet nut then seats on that knurled section. To install a blind rivet nut using the heavy duty hand tool, once assembled you screw the blind rivet nut onto the threaded mandrel, making sure that it goes right up to the knurled surface. You then place it through the sheet metal, and then using the handle you then start to set the rivet. If you need more force, you can use a 10mm spanner to help, which is particularly useful on the larger sizes. Once it's installed, you then undo using the handle, leaving the rivet in position.